Hello, this is Julie Conti from the Niagara Falls City School District. Going to show you a presentation tool called Prezi, and it is located on Prezi.com. As you can see here from the video, I have Prezi.com pulled up, and I'm going to click on the login button. Once the login comes in, you type in the email that you've set up your account, and there mine pops up, and then I will enter in my password as well and click in login. You can also see that you could log in an account for Prezi through Facebook and or your Google login. However, I have a separate account created through the Prezi.com site. Once that happens, you'll see that it starts to load and my name will appear up here in the right hand corner so that I know I'm in my account, and it'll give me an option to either start a new presentation, to go back to something that I've already begun, create folders over here on the side. Now, I'm not going to go into any further detail at this point because we do have some videos that are connected at the bottom that will take you step by step on how to use Prezi as another form of presentation tool. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.